My woman in technology and science is Ozlem Tureci, who is the co-founder of BioNTech, the creators of one of the coronavirus vaccines that's out there right now. So she and her husband, they're Turkish immigrants to Germany, and they had a previous company that they sold for a tremendous amount of money, and went right back into it with BioNTech because they recognized that this mRNA technique would allow for customized cancer treatments. So the mRNA technique, in short, is that we can give the body instructions, incredibly customized instructions that trigger an immune response. So we can extract the cancer that you have, figure out what unique feature of that cancer we can tell the body to look for. We code this mRNA sequence that describes that feature on the cancer cells, inject it into your body. The immune system says, Roger that, we're going to go looking for these things, and finds that cancer. That's the promise, okay? So it's January. This virus, it really, like, if you had the best intelligence, you were hearing about this virus in October and November. I mean, like if you're the government, okay, you got that level of intelligence. You're on top of this thing back in October, November. There were a few public notices in December around virology, and then January, if you're in those worlds, it was definitely something that you were keeping an eye on, okay? So they're in those worlds. So January 24th, they're sitting at breakfast and they make the decision, we're going to stop all of our cancer research, basically all of it. We're going to take the entire company and focus it on coronavirus. We got to get a sample of the vaccine. We got to sequence it. We got to translate that sequence into we got to look at it and see what the features are and translate the sequence and see how that coordinates and what's the magic that we're going to look for, and code that mRNA sequence. And then they were in trials. They are the Pfizer vaccine, Pfizer BioNTech.
Wow.
And that's Ozlem Tureci.